The night sky, a vast canvas of twinkling stars, has captivated humanity for millennia. We gaze up at the cosmos, filled with questions about our place in the universe. Are we alone? Or could there be other worlds out there? Perhaps even other universes beyond our own? The concept of the multiverse, once relegated to science fiction, has emerged as a tantalizing possibility in modern physics. It suggests that our universe, with its billions of galaxies, might be just one of many, forming a cosmic tapestry of unimaginable scale. The idea of multiple universes challenges our most fundamental understanding of reality. It suggests that the Big Bang, the event that birthed our universe, might not have been unique. Instead, it could have been just one of countless cosmic detonations, each giving rise to a separate universe with its own laws of physics, and perhaps even its own unique forms of life. The implications of such a reality are profound, forcing us to reconsider our place not just in the universe but in a potentially infinite multiverse. By venturing into this uncharted territory, we stand to gain a new perspective on our place in the cosmos and perhaps even unlock the secrets of the universe itself. The concept of the multiverse is not a single, unified theory. Rather, it encompasses a variety of ideas, each with its own unique implications. One of the most compelling is the bubble universe theory, also known as eternal inflation. This theory suggests that our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam of expanding space. Imagine a pot of boiling water. Just as bubbles form and expand on the surface, new universes might be constantly emerging and inflating within a larger multiverse. These bubble universes could have different properties with varying laws of physics and fundamental constants. Some might be hospitable to life, while others could be desolate and unforgiving. Another intriguing theory is the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. This theory suggests that every quantum measurement, every fork in the road of possibility, doesn't lead to one outcome or the other, but rather to a splitting of reality itself. In this view, every possible outcome of every quantum event actually occurs, but in a separate, parallel universe. String theory, a leading candidate for a theory of everything, also offers a path to the multiverse. The concept of the multiverse is undeniably captivating, but is there any scientific evidence to support it? One promising avenue of exploration lies in the study of the cosmic microwave background, CMB, radiation. The CMB is a faint afterglow of the Big Bang, a thermal remnant of the early universe that permeates all of space. It contains subtle temperature fluctuations that provide a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years old. Scientists believe that these fluctuations could hold clues to the existence of other universes. If our universe collided with another universe in the distant past, it could have left an imprint on the CMB in the form of circular patterns or temperature anomalies. These patterns, if detected, would provide strong evidence for the existence of a multiverse. Scientists are using sophisticated telescopes, both on the ground and in space, to search for these telltale signs. The search for the multiverse is fraught with challenges, both scientific and philosophical. One of the biggest hurdles is the issue of testability. The multiverse, by its very nature, lies beyond the observable universe. This makes it incredibly difficult, if not impossible, to directly observe or interact with other universes. Some critics argue that the multiverse theory is not truly scientific because it cannot be falsified. In other words, there is no conceivable experiment or observation that could definitively disprove the existence of other universes. This has led to a debate about the nature of science itself, and whether or not it is possible to study concepts that lie beyond our ability to directly observe. The quest to understand the multiverse is a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit. It is a journey into the unknown, driven by a desire to unravel the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. While the challenges are significant, the potential rewards are immeasurable. Discovering the multiverse would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It would force us to reconsider our most fundamental assumptions about reality and the nature of existence. It would open up new avenues of scientific inquiry, leading to breakthroughs in fields ranging from cosmology to particle physics. More than that, the discovery of the multiverse would have profound philosophical and cultural implications. It would challenge our notions of uniqueness and purpose, forcing us to confront the possibility that we are just one civilization among countless others scattered throughout the vast expanse of the multiverse. The multiverse, whether it exists or not, serves as a powerful reminder of the vastness and mystery of the cosmos. It inspires us to keep asking questions, to keep searching for answers, and to never stop exploring the unknown.